Today I'm going to show you how you can do screen extraction using a Windows tool. It's a free tool called Share X. Yeah, so you can download the application from this page. Yeah, you can get that OCR option from that toolbar. Yeah, there is an option to open it on the Google Translate. Yeah, this is going to be another example on how you can extract a not fully in a text, an English text. Yeah, so in this example I am going to show you how to use a PDF file just to extract the text.